Tired of sticky notes and spreadsheets for managing your contacts? Let's ditch the chaos and build a powerful, custom CRM in Airtable in just 90 seconds. First, open Airtable and create a new base from scratch. We'll call it CRM now. Rename the first table Contacts. This is where all your contact information will live. Airtable automatically gives you a name field. Change it to full name, then add these fields: email, using the email field type, phone number using the phone number field type, and company using a single line text field. Now, let's track your leads. Add a status field. Use the single select field type and add options like lead, contacted, qualified, proposal sent, and closed won, lost. These represent your sales stages. Fill in your first few contacts, adding names, emails, phone numbers, companies, and selecting an appropriate status for each. This helps populate your database and visualize its structure. Next, create a new table called Deals. This table will track individual sales opportunities. Link each deal to a contact in your contacts table. In the Deals table, add these fields: deal name using single line text, a linked record field to the contacts table so you can connect each deal to a specific person, and deal value using the currency field type. Enter some sample deals, linking each to a contact and adding the potential deal value. This is where you track the financial aspect of your sales pipeline. To visualize your sales pipeline, add a Kanban block. Select the deals table and group by the status field from the contacts table. Now you have a visual representation of your deals at each stage. You now have a functional, custom CRM. Use this to manage your contacts, track your deals, and close more sales. Experiment with other field types and blocks to customize your CRM even further.